Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Vremi Air Purifier is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components of maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment, especially when it comes to ensuring the continued optimal performance of your Vremi Air Purifier, as a clogged or old filter can significantly reduce its effectiveness in removing allergens, dust, and other airborne pollutants, making the air you breathe less clean and potentially exacerbating respiratory issues for you and your family. Number 5. Medify MA14 Genuine Replacement Filter 2-Pack. Ensure your air purifier runs at its best with these genuine replacement filters. Using authentic parts guarantees optimal performance and protects your machine. Don't risk damaging your air purifier or compromising your air quality with non-genuine filters. Stick with the real deal for peace of mind. Experience superior air purification with our true HEPA H13 filter. It's tested to capture 99.9% of tiny particles, ensuring cleaner air. Effectively remove dust, pollen, allergens, and pet dander. It also tackles tough odors and even smoke from wildfires and smog. This 2-pack features a 3-in-1 system, including a pre-filter, true HEPA H13, and activated carbon. It's designed for maximum air cleaning. What we like. Ensure optimal performance with genuine Medify MA14 filters. They feature true HEPA H13 filtration, capturing 99.9% of tiny particles. If you are looking for a reliable filter specifically for your Medify MA14 unit, this is the choice to maintain air quality and protect your device. What people say. Great unit for air filtration. We just changed the first filter with this new one. And it truly works. The first filter that came with the Medify Air Purifier was so dirty. We knew we were doing the right thing by having it in our bedroom. This is my second time purchasing Medify MA14 filters, and they are excellent. They can be cleaned by vacuuming a time or two before replacement. It is easy to use and install. You can see how dirty it gets after 3 months of use in cleaning the air. I have a very fluffy, furry white cat and don't dust as often as I should, but this helps keeps the air clean. Plus, when our air quality in NJ was affected by the Canadian wildfires last June-July 2023, it definitely helps since we still have very old windows with the weights in them. Number 4. Medify MA40 Genuine Replacement Filter 2-Pack. Ensure your air purifier performs at its best with genuine Medify MA40 replacement filters. Using authentic filters guarantees optimal performance and protects your machine. Replacing the filter is simple and hassle-free. Keep your home, school, or office filled with fresh, clean air, and effectively neutralize lingering odors. Our advanced HEPA H13 filters capture 99.9% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. Breathe easier as dust, pollen, allergens, smoke, and pet dander are effectively removed. It features a 3-layer filtration system, a pre-filter for large particles, HEPA H13 for microscopic contaminants, and activated carbon for odor elimination. This makes it ideal for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and smokers. These long-lasting filters provide up to 3,000 hours of continuous air purification. Enjoy cost savings and a healthier home environment with fewer filter changes. What we like. Experience superior air purification with these genuine Medify MA40 filters. Their 3-stage system and extended filter life offer cost efficiency and cleaner air for longer. If you're a pet owner, allergy sufferer, or smoker, and want a hassle-free, long-lasting solution, this filter is ideal for your MA40 purifier. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Vremi Air Purifier. It effectively removes odors and allergens from the air. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles. Number 3. LEVOIT Core 300P Air Purifier. Choose a product you can trust for cleaner indoor air. This air purifier is independently tested and certified by HAM for reliable performance and energy efficiency. Experience rapid air purification with its high-torque motor and impressive CADR. It quickly cleans the air in your home, bedroom, or office. With high ratings for smoke, dust, and pollen, it effectively refreshes the air in various room sizes, ensuring a healthier environment. For the best results and longevity, always use our official replacement filters. They ensure a perfect fit and high-efficiency filtration. Select the right filter for you, whether it's for toxins, smoke, or pet dander. It captures allergens and odors with high efficiency. Enjoy undisturbed sleep with our quiet KEAP technology. In sleep mode, it operates at a near-silent 24 dB, so you can rest easy. What we like. Choose HAM verified performance with these LEVOIT replacement filters. They offer multiple specialized filter choices and a whisper-quiet sleep mode for undisturbed rest. If you prioritize certified performance, need to target specific air concerns like smoke or pet dander, and value quiet operation in your bedroom, these filters are an excellent option. What people say. Super easy to set up, the size isn't obstructive, easy controls, the low setting is quiet enough for me, but it can be even quieter with the night mode for people who enjoy silent sleeping. Very effective, and I definitely sleep better with the cleaner air, definitely recommend to anyone considering. The setup was extremely simple, just unbox it, install the filter, and plug it in. Within the first few days I noticed the air in my room felt noticeably fresher and cleaner. One of the things I like most is how quiet it is, especially in sleep mode. Despite being quiet, it still does a great job pulling dust and allergens out of the air. The size is perfect for a bedroom, compact but powerful. The design is clean and modern so it doesn't look out of place, and the controls are simple and easy to use. This air purifier by far works the best, especially for people with severe allergies. I've tried other brands and they did absolutely nothing. When I clean it you can see that it does the job collecting allergens and dust. I also have cats, that I can actually breathe better with it. The fan is quiet, can barely hear it, that I run it at all times due to small apartment and bedrooms upstairs there is barely ventilation. Number 2. Nuwave Oxypure Smart Air Purifier. Experience cleaner air in even your largest rooms. This device can purify over 2,900 square feet in just 60 minutes, making it ideal for open-concept living and high ceilings. Our advanced 5-layer system captures 100% of tiny particles, including dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander. It also eliminates harmful ozone, ensuring a healthier environment. Equipped with dual sensors, it detects both airborne particles and odors like smoke and pet smells. It automatically adjusts fan speed for optimal air quality and provides real-time readings. Save on replacements with washable stainless steel pre-filters and reusable BioGuard filters. The main HEPA and carbon filters are designed for long-lasting performance. Enjoy effortless operation with Smart Auto Mode. It intelligently adjusts fan speeds based on your room's air quality, purifying as needed and conserving energy. Stay on top of maintenance with convenient filter alerts. You'll be notified when it's time to clean reusable filters or replace the HEPA and carbon filters for peak efficiency. This smart device is Wi-Fi capable, allowing you to monitor and control your home's air quality remotely via a smartphone app, compatible with both Android and iPhones. What we like. This Nuwave filter provides unparalleled 5-layer protection and covers ultra-large rooms efficiently. With washable and reusable filter components, it's designed for long-term cost savings. If you have an open-concept space, high ceilings, or need to purify a very large area, and want to minimize replacement costs, this filter system is a smart investment. What people say. It has an electrostatic cleaner, 8,000 volts, along with the HEPA filter. It self-monitors all filter status, tells you when to clean and replace. It instantly detects foul odors and instantly kicks into another gear to clear the air when in auto. The turbo button is a good way to prep the area if you know you'll be working in the area. It cleans our whole house, 2,700 square feet. It was so easy to set up and we love that it's on rollers and easy to move should we choose. Number 1. VK6067B Air Purifier Filter Replacement. Ensure your air purifier is always running at its best. This filter is designed for a perfect fit with Oxypure VK6067B and Vremi Air Purifiers, ensuring optimal performance for large rooms. Breathe easier with our advanced HEPA filter. It captures 99.97% of tiny particles, including dust, hair, and pet dander, down to 0.3 micrometers, providing a 360 degrees clean air experience. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. The activated carbon layer effectively absorbs common household odors from smoke, cooking, pets, and VOCs, leaving your home smelling fresh. Our ultrafine pre-filter works hard to capture larger particles. This protects the main filters, helping to extend their lifespan and maintain fresh air quality for longer. Get the same high quality as original filters at a better value. This set includes 2 filters, making air purification more cost-effective and ensuring continuous clean air. Replacing your filter is simple. For best results, change it every 6 to 8 months by just swapping out the old one for a new one in your machine. We stand by our product quality. If you have any questions about your replacement filter, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. Get premium filtration at an affordable price with this 2-pack filter set. It features 3-stage filtration, including HEPA and activated carbon, to tackle tiny particles and absorb odors effectively. If you own a Hokiki VK6067B or Vremi Air Purifier and are looking for a cost-effective way to maintain excellent air quality and eliminate household smells, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is a perfect fit for my Vremi Air Purifier. The filter is easy to install and works great. I noticed a significant improvement in air quality after installing the new filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.